Hello, welcome to Big Mind TV Master, the channel that helps you develop an unshakable mind and achieve success in all areas of your life. In this video, we will show you how to have an unshakable mind, that is, a mind that does not falter with the difficulties, obstacles and adversities that arise along the way. A mind that knows how to deal with emotions, that is focused on what is important, that plans its steps, and that acts strategically to achieve its goals. Do you want to know how you can have a mind like that? Then stay tuned for the tips we are going to give you now. The first tip is, be simple. This means doing each task with the greatest possible perfection, without complicating or distracting yourself with irrelevant things. When you do things with simplicity and quality, you reap positive and satisfactory results. You avoid stress, anxiety and frustration that can come from trying to do many things at once or not doing anything well done. You also save time, energy and resources that can be used for other more important things. Being simple is being efficient and effective. The second tip is, know and understand your emotional. This means having emotional intelligence, that is, the ability to recognize and manage your own emotions and those of others. When you have emotional intelligence, you do not let yourself be dominated by fear, anger, sadness, or anxiety. You know how to calm yourself down, how to motivate yourself, and how to communicate assertively. You also know how to deal with the emotions of others, how to have empathy, understanding, and respect. You avoid unnecessary conflicts, misunderstandings, and wear and tear in your personal and professional relationships. Having emotional intelligence is having balance and harmony. The third tip is, take responsibility. This means not blaming others or circumstances for your problems or failures. You are the only one responsible for your life and your choices. You have the power to change what is not good and create the opportunities you want. You take responsibility for your results and learn from your mistakes. You do not victimize yourself or settle for difficulties. You seek creative and innovative solutions to overcome challenges. You also recognize your successes and celebrate your achievements. Taking responsibility is having autonomy and protagonism. These are the three main tips for you to have an unshakable mind. But there are many other tips that you can learn here on our channel. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to Big Mind TV Master, leave your like, share with your friends and comment on what you think. This way you help us bring this content to more people and also motivate us to continue producing quality videos for you. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.